Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English in Daily Life.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very useful. We're talking about English at school.
Yes, school English is very important. You use it every day, in class, with teachers, with friends.
If you are a student, this episode is perfect for you.
And if you are learning English, this will help you speak with confidence.
Before we start, please like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's begin.
Part 1, Arriving at School. Imagine this. You arrive at school. What do you say? Listen carefully. Good morning. Hi. Hello. Now you say it. Good job.
Very simple. When you meet your teacher, say, "Good morning, ma'am." "Good morning, sir." Repeat. "Good morning, ma'am." "Good morning, sir." Nice.
Now a full example. Teacher, good morning. Student, good morning, ma'am. Again. Teacher, good morning. Student, good morning, ma'am.
You can also say, "How are you?" Repeat, "I'm fine, thank you." Very good.
Part 2, in the classroom.
Now you are in class. You don't understand something. What do you say? You say, "I don't understand." Repeat, "I don't understand." Again, "I don't understand."
You can also say, can you explain again? Repeat, can you explain again? Great.
If you want to ask a question, say, "Can I ask a question?" Repeat, "Can I ask a question?" Perfect.
Example dialogue. Listen. Ma'am, I don't understand. Teacher, okay, I will explain again. Again. Student, I don't understand. Teacher, I will explain again.
Part 3. Asking for help.
Sometimes you need help from a friend. You can say, can you help me? Repeat, can you help me? Nice.
If your friend helps you, say, "Thank you." Repeat, "Thank you." And your friend says, "You're welcome." Repeat, "You're welcome." Good job.
Part 4, homework talk.
Your friend asks, "Did you do your homework?" Repeat, "Did you do your homework?"
You answer, yes, I did. Or, no, I didn't. Repeat, yes, I did. No, I didn't. Great.
Example, your friend, "Did you do your homework?" You, "Yes, I did." Again, your friend, "Did you do your homework?" You, "No, I didn't."
Part 5, during lunch break.
Now it is lunchtime. You can say, "I'm hungry." Repeat, "I'm hungry."
You can also say, my lunch is simple. My quick lunch is a sandwich. My quick breakfast is a banana. Repeat, my quick breakfast is a banana. Nice.
Ask your friend, "What are you eating?" Repeat, "What are you eating?" Friend, "I'm eating rice." Friend, "I'm eating noodles."
Part 6, talking about subjects.
You can say, "My favorite subject is English." Repeat, "My favorite subject is English."
Or, I like math. I don't like history. Repeat, I like math. I don't like history. Very good.
Part 7. After school.
School is finished. You say, see you tomorrow. Repeat, see you tomorrow.
Or, bye, goodbye. Simple and easy. Now listen to this short conversation. "Good morning."
Good morning. How are you?
"I'm fine, thank you."
Did you do your homework?
"Yes, I did."
Can you help me later?
"Yes, of course."
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now listen again. "Good morning."
Good morning. How are you?
"I'm fine, thank you."
Did you do your homework?
"Yes, I did."
Can you help me later?
"Yes, of course."
Thank you.
You're welcome. Great job. You're improving already. Asking permission in class. Very polite. Very simple. You can also say, "May I come in?" This is when you are late. Repeat. "May I come in?" Nice.
Example dialogue. Listen carefully. Student. May I come in, ma'am? Teacher. Yes, you may. Student. Thank you, ma'am. Now listen again. Student. May I come in? Teacher. Yes, you may. Now you repeat the student's line. May I come in? Excellent.
Another important sentence. Can I borrow a pen? Repeat. Can I borrow a pen? Again. Can I borrow a pen? Great.
Now your friend says, yes, here you go. Repeat. Here you go. Very common, very useful.
And you reply, thank you. Friend, no problem. Repeat together. No problem. Good.
Full dialogue. Listen. You, can I borrow your pen? Friend, yes, here you go. You, thank you. Friend, no problem. Now listen again. Repeat slowly. You are doing amazing.
Teacher says, open your book. Repeat. Open your book.
Teacher says, read page 10. Repeat. Read page 10. Good.
If you cannot find the page, you say, which page? Repeat. Which page? Very natural. Very simple.
Example. Teacher, open your book. Student, which page? Teacher, page 10. Again. Teacher, open your book. Student, which page? Nice work.
Teacher says, write this sentence. Repeat. Write this sentence.
If you are slow, you can say, please wait. Repeat. Please wait. Good.
Or say, I am writing. Repeat. I am writing. Again. I am writing. Perfect.
Teacher asks you, what is your name? You answer, my name is. Repeat. My name is. Good.
Teacher asks, how old are you? You say, I am 12 years old. Or, I am 15 years old. Repeat. I am 15 years old. Great.
Teacher asks, where do you live? You say, I live in Delhi. Repeat. I live in. Very nice.
Listening practice. School conversation. Listen carefully. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Open your book.
Which page?
Page 10.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Now listen again. Repeat slowly. Wrap up. Today we learned many useful school phrases. Let's review. Say them with us. Good morning. I don't understand. Can you explain again? Can you help me? Did you do your homework? I'm hungry. My favorite subject is English. See you tomorrow. Amazing!
If you can say these sentences, you can speak at school with confidence. Small steps, simple English, big progress.
Remember, practice every day. Speak every day.
You are doing great. Keep going. We believe in you.
Now we have a question for you. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite subject?
And tell us, what time do you wake up?
We love reading your answers.
See you in the next episode.
Bye. Keep practicing English.